Hey guys, I'm Mike. This is Hank and Henry, and this is how you get a dent out of bare wood.
All right, we'll give her a dent.
So next, just get a towel or fabric, 100% cotton, so nothing melts, and then you wet a portion of it. So I wet this corner and then wrung it out so it's just damp. Then you just get your standard iron, turn it to the hottest setting. So you take the wet part of the towel, place it over the dent, make sure your iron's on full heat, and apply the iron. Keep it moving a little bit. You don't want to burn. So I check it every once in a while. Not gonna hurt it if you check it. And yeah, that's looks like it's gone already. If it doesn't fully come out right away, you can move to another wet part of the towel and do it again. Apply good pressure too. Yeah, is that what it was? Yeah.